the difference between general intent and specific intent? What is required for conspiracy? General intent is the intent to perform the act, the intent to do the physical act prohibited by law. Battery is a general intent crime. The actor intends to swing the fist. The law infers the entry from the act, from the voluntary act. Specific intent is different. Specific intent requires the intent to perform the act and the intent to cause a specific result and the possession of a specific purpose. Burglary is a specific intent crime, breaking and entering with the intent to commit a felony therein. Conspiracy is a specific intent crime. Conspiracy is a specific intent crime. It requires the intent to agree. It requires the intent to achieve the objective. And knowledge is generally insufficient. The prosecution must prove purpose. The prosecution must prove the specific intent to further the criminal enterprise. How does the law infer specific intent from a supply of lawful goods? People violatory of the lowlier factors. Their knowledge of illegal use is not enough. There must be a stake in the venture. How does the Walima factor one? Inflated charges, charging a grossly inflated price. Factor two, no legitimate use. The good have no lawful purpose. Factor three, disproportionate volume. Sales are grossly disproportionate to legitimate demand. Conspiracy is a specific intent crime. Conspiracy is a specific intent crime. It requires the intent to agree. It requires the intent to achieve the objective. And knowledge is generally insufficient. The prosecution must prove purpose. The prosecution must prove the specific intent to a specific intent to further the criminal enterprise. Direct sale is called the unites a stake in the venture. Disproportionate volume achieves indifference. Diversity to knowledge to intent was taken in fire. It requires the indicator of morphing to a small town doctor. Whole and massive volume creates a stake in the venture. Disproportionate volume negates and influences. The step from knowledge to intent was taken of you. Inflated charges, no legitimate